Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox Blender plugin. First, make sure you have Blender installed. Version 2.8 or newer is highly recommended for optimal compatibility. Next, download the official Roblox Blender plugin directly from the Roblox Creator Marketplace. Once downloaded, open Blender, go to Edit, then Preferences, and select Add-ons. Click Install, locate your downloaded plugin file, and then activate it by checking the box. This setup takes less than 5 minutes. Once your model is ready in Blender, exporting it to Roblox is straightforward. Select all the individual objects you intend to export. Then, go to File, choose Export, and select the Roblox RBXM format. In the export options, it's crucial to check Apply Modifiers to ensure your model's geometry is correctly preserved. Finally, save your model to a convenient folder. This process typically takes only a few seconds for most models. Now, let's bring your creation into Roblox Studio. Open your desired game or start a new place. In the Model tab at the top, locate and click the Import button. Browse to where you saved your RBXM file and select it. Your model will appear in your workspace. You can then easily position, rotate, and scale it to fit your game's environment. Consider grouping multiple parts for better organization, especially for complex builds. To ensure a smooth workflow, here are some key tips. Always give your Blender objects unique names to prevent issues in Roblox Studio. If parts appear invisible or unusually dark, check for inverted normals in Blender and flip them. Aim for reasonable polygon counts. Models exceeding 10,000 triangles might affect game performance. Finally, maintain a consistent scale, such as 1 Blender unit equaling 1 Roblox stud. For accurate sizing, these practices will save you significant time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.